I just want to record something. Um, Sitting in my car and it's raining quite nicely today, which I enjoy, which I guess is why I live here in the greater Seattle area. As we all know, I hate driving to Seattle, but it's pretty nice. Nice dumpster. It's pretty yeah, it's just very average stuff. Anyhow, went to the doctor and things look good. For a change, feeling pretty good. And hopefully it keeps going good. And that's all I got right now.
Sometimes it's nice just listen to the rain. It's very refreshing. Taken out at Target. Okay, so back in the day, I used to have to buy pink dish soap for my eldest son, who had, we didn't know it at the time though, but he's got very sensitive skin, and sometimes now he takes medicine for it, but I used to have to buy the pink sensitive brand, so I used to call it Pussy Pink, as if I were calling him a pussy for having to use soft hand soap. And I haven't had to do that in a while now. He's moved out, he's a grown man, but I was just thinking about how funny it was today when I was picking out soap and I was like, oh look, there's Pussy Pink.
I don't know why my light was on. Stupid. Anyway, so I'm just getting my stuff done today because, you know, I don't know. I don't have anything planned to say today. I'm just glad that it's raining, and I'm glad that you know, I got lots of good things going on for me right now, so it's pretty great, and I feel good, and might go as far as saying I'm happy, but you know, it's fleeting, so I don't want to grasp onto that too hard. And so that's what's going on here. There we go. Just want to get a little bit of me driving in the rain, being irresponsible. I'm just in the parking lot, so it's really not as horrifying as it looks. Not a lot of people like to swing around the backside here. Oh, what a surprise! It's a delivery truck. I'll just wait right here. I ain't got no reason to hurry up. Looks like he's about finished up for the night. Wonder what UPS drops off at Target. Probably like, I don't know. Packages. There we go. They drop off packages. That car has very bright lights. Here I thought there was going to be nobody back here, but I was horribly, horribly wrong. But here we are coming up on the road, so hang tight, guys. I'll be back later. So I'm just having my daily lunch. It's salad. My doctors want me to eat salad, bananas, apples. Can't eat toast, of course, because of my celiac disease.
answer the question, yes. There is grilled chicken on this. I didn't get to finish my video last night. Things just kind of went a little off kilter after I got home and I had much stuff to do, so I just was like, hey, I'll just finish it tomorrow. Just that's what you get. Me eating a salad on my lunch break, not very exciting. And that's that. So I wanted to make a happy video. I was so good on Monday when I started this video, and I only had a few pieces I wanted to add to it, but unfortunately, I had an incident at work that triggered me bad, and I ended up basically crying for a long time, and I ended up just taking off. Anyway, I let my husband know where I was so he wouldn't freak out, but I mean, I lost a signal, let's just say. I drove that far away, and I don't know, it just totally sucks that you go from one day where you're happy and literally the next day you feel miserable. And sometimes it's just like, it's like the things people say to you get jumbled up wrong. Like, for instance, if your boss is, it's January and every boss everywhere is trying to cut hours. And so they're looking, like, oh, you stay late on the days where you do special things. And I was like, well, yeah, I need the extra time because it takes longer than it's scheduled for. And then, basically what I'm hearing is probably not what was intended, but it's just the way your brain works when you are bipolar, or sometimes it might just go along with mental illness altogether. I'm not entirely sure, but my brain hears that I'm not good enough to pay for an extra 20 minutes, that they don't think that I deserve to get paid for an extra 20 minutes, and that basically they don't care that things are done right, and that they want me to cut corners, and that they want me to just you just basically makes you feel like the smallest piece of dirt in existence. And it sucks. It sucks that your brain does that to you, and it not necessarily was supposed to go down that way, but like your brain you're like, I'm a piece of shit. I don't want to go back. I don't want to exist. I don't want to talk to anybody. I don't want to see anybody. And it does go away. It does get better, but it still kind of sucks right now. It sucks just to have that awful mood swings, to feel that, that tightness in your chest, that anxiety that people don't want you around, like they just would rather you not even show up. So, and then that's not necessarily true, but it feels true. It feels very, very real. And I started to make this kind of a downer. I was just appreciating the rain earlier, and now I'm just trying to dig my way out of the hole that I put myself in, and just get better, I guess. So thanks for listening. Bye.